believe that nanotechnology will change the world. But I have to proclaim to the disclaimer: I'm not an expert on nanotechnology anymore. If ever I were. But nanotechnology, the idea with nanotechnology is basically that we can develop and use machines that are at the nanometer scale. And nanometer means 1/1000th of a meter, which is very approximately, the size of a molecule. If you think about it, everything is made of molecules, right? The air that we are breathing right now, it's made of molecules. Your hair, your skin, your eyeglass, your cells, everything is made of molecules. The taste, whenever you put something in your mouth and you feel the taste, that's molecules interacting with other molecules. And if you can reprogram molecules, if you can control the molecular structure and what it actually means, then you're the master of the world. You can do everything. So, for example, if you can control molecules, you can create robots that are the size of viruses, or massive robots that are the size of cells, human blood cells, for example, that can go throughout the bloodstream. They can identify cells that are cancerous, that can create tumors, and they can eliminate them precisely. And by the way, we know that it can be done. How do we know that it can be done? Because we have white blood cells. That's the way. Those are the cells that have evolved over millions of years to take care of infections and of bacteria and viruses, and also take care of cancerous cells. But these white blood cells, they are so-so. They work well enough, but they are not perfect. And we know that with technology, we can make things better. We can create better machines. We can't do it quite yet, but in a decade or 2 or 3 from now, we'll be able to create much better nanomachines that will be able to take care of cancer in our bodies. So that's one aspect of nanotechnology. Another aspect of nanotechnology is that of perfect recycling, because what is our human waste composed of? Molecules, atoms. And if we can take human waste and decompose it break it apart into atoms and into molecules, and then reconnect those atoms and molecules into the shape of meat, of water, of clean water, of juice, or whatever, then if you think about it, we just solved all the world's hunger problems, all the world's thirst problems, because whatever you excrete, you recycle and you can reuse. So nanotechnology also has the potential to solve all the world's problems of hunger, famine, thirst, and so on. So really, I'm really excited about nanotechnology. I have to say, though, that it's moving relatively slowly, and that we're probably not going to see massive and dramatic developments of the kind that I've described in the next 20 years. We're probably going to have to wait until the year 2050 before we really see big things happening in nanotechnology.